I hope you're happy and healthy, and I sure miss you. I'm getting my notes ready if you hear me rumbling through my papers. The nice thing is what we're doing. You did an Algebra 1, you did an Algebra 2, and I bet you will have no trouble with this. Our essential question today for Lesson 7.1 is, how do you use substitution? Now, most of you are going to say, do I have to use substitution? You don't. You can use elimination, you can use substitution, but we're going to start using substitution because I have a feeling the next lesson will be elimination. So let's try a little substitution. Lesson 7.1 is solving systems of equations. This is something you've done before. We're going to learn a lot about matrices, which are so cool, and how to use a calculator, which you'll love. So substitution means you are going to take one of these and make it equal to a variable. So example 1 says solve the system of equations. X minus y equals 0. 5x minus 3y equals 6. Because I, like you, am a smart kiddo, I'm going to go ahead and just add y to each side to solve for x. X is equal to y. Now, because x is equal to y, instead of putting in x here, I can put in y, because that's what it's equal to. So I'm going to plug in for the x over here a y. 5y minus 3y equals 6. Well, 5 minus 3 is 2y equals 6. So we know that y is equal to 3. Have I solved the question? No. Why not? Because I need to have an x and a y. So I just go right back here. Hey, x is equal to y. So if y is 3, what do you suppose x is? X is also 3. Do y'all remember this stuff from Algebra 1? Fun stuff. Let's look at one that's a little bit more difficult. Example 2 says 2x plus y equals 5, 3x minus 2y equals 4. So I'm sure you're looking at this saying, hey, I know exactly which one I'm going to solve for. If I solve for y here, I would get the 2x over here. So y equals 5 minus 2x. So instead of putting in y, what do you suppose we're going to put in? We're going to put in 5 minus 2x. All right, so let's solve. Don't forget to distribute the negative. 3x minus 10 plus 4x equals 4. Let's add like terms. 7x minus 10 equals 4. Add the 10 over. 7x equals 14. So x is equal to 2. I'm going to write that one in blue. If x is equal to 2, let's solve for y. I always just put back in what I solved for because I think that makes it super easy. Y equals 5 minus 2 times 2. Well, 5 minus 4 is equal to 1. So that's all I've got for you today. I'm not making you do word problems. We're going to keep it nice and simple when we're away. I'm praying for you all. I hope you guys are doing well. Stay healthy. Stay distanced from everyone. And I hope to see you soon.